When it comes to camping, having the right gear can make your outdoor experience smoother, safer, and a lot more enjoyable. But with thousands of products on Amazon, it's hard to know what's actually worth buying. So in today's video, I'll be counting down 20 of Amazon's most purchased camping gear items. The essentials that real customers rely on every single day. Let's jump straight into the list. Number 1. Hot Hands Hand Warmer. If you're camping, hiking, or spending long hours outdoors in freezing weather, Hot Hands hand warmers are a must-pack essential. These air-activated warmers start heating within minutes and deliver up to 10 hours of steady warmth, making them perfect for cold mornings or nighttime activities around camp. Their compact and lightweight design of just 1.9 ounces means they slip easily into gloves, pockets, or even sleeping bags for an extra layer of comfort. They use natural ingredients, require no batteries, and reach temperatures up to 70 degrees Celsius. If you're a winter camper or someone who hates cold hands, these warmers offer a simple, affordable solution that delivers every time. Number 2. Benadryl Extra Strength Anti-Itch Relief Gel. When you're spending time outdoors, bug bites, plant reactions, and skin irritations are almost unavoidable. That's where Benadryl's Extra Strength Anti-Itch Gel becomes an essential part of any camping first aid kit. It contains a fast-acting antihistamine formula that helps reduce itching, redness, and swelling caused by mosquito bites, poison ivy, minor burns, or allergic reactions. Its cooling sensation provides immediate comfort, while the medicated formula helps calm irritated skin for hours. Because it's effective, portable, and trusted by millions, this gel continues to be one of Amazon's most purchased outdoor care items, especially during camping and hiking season. Number 3. Alvada Merino Wool Hiking Socks. Comfortable socks might not seem exciting, but when you're walking miles on rugged terrain, they make a huge difference. The Alvada Merino Wool socks are crafted from 80% merino wool, an ultra-soft and breathable material known for insulation and moisture-wicking performance. These socks keep your feet warm in cold weather while preventing overheating during long hikes. They offer a snug yet flexible fit with reinforced cushioning around the heel and toe areas, exactly where hikers need extra protection. They come in multiple color options and sizes, making them a versatile choice for men and women. Number 4. LHKNL Headlamp Flashlight. Every camper needs a reliable headlamp, and the LHKNL rechargeable model is one of Amazon's most popular for good reason. With 1,200 lumens of brightness, it provides strong illumination for nighttime hiking, cooking, or setting up camp. The headlamp is water-resistant, making it suitable for rain or damp environments, and the adjustable head pivots up to 60 degrees for precise lighting angles. Weighing only 53 grams, it's comfortable enough for extended use without causing pressure on your forehead. Fast charging, long battery life, and reliable performance have made this headlamp a favorite among campers, runners, and emergency prep buyers alike. Number 5. Okupa Rechargeable Hand Warmers. For campers who want something reusable and powerful, the Okupa Rechargeable Hand Warmer is easily one of the best choices available. Built with a durable aluminum exterior, it feels premium while remaining lightweight at 4.7 ounces. Inside, it features a 5,000 mAh battery that provides consistent heat ranging from 107 degrees Fahrenheit to 126 degrees Fahrenheit, making it perfect for harsh winter camping or high-altitude trekking. It charges fully in 3.5 hours, and thanks to its rounded ergonomic shape, it fits naturally in the hand. If you want dependable, reusable heat with modern features, this one delivers impressive performance. Number 6. Temden Multi-Charging Cable. Never run out of battery while camping or hiking with the Temden multi-charging cable. This versatile cable is designed for fast charging and supports multiple devices, including PS, Lightning, USB, iWatch charger, and USB Type-C. Available in 3 different sizes and a variety of colors, it adapts to your charging needs and ensures your devices stay powered throughout your adventures. Its durable, tangle-free design makes it perfect for travel, camping, or emergency use. Number 7. VictorPro Waterproof LED Flashlight. The VictorPro Waterproof LED flashlight is a must-have for any outdoor enthusiast. Built with high-quality aluminum, this flashlight offers adjustable focus, multiple light modes, and a powerful beam that illuminates long distances. With 120 lumens brightness and powered by 6 AAA batteries, it's both reliable and energy efficient. Impact-resistant and waterproof, it can withstand rain, drops, and rough handling during camping, hiking, or emergency situations. Number 8. Cleganic Mosquito Repellent Bracelets. Keep bugs at bay with the Cleganic Mosquito Repellent Bracelets, the perfect accessory for outdoor lovers. Made from natural, plant-based, non-toxic, cruelty-free, and vegan materials, these bracelets provide safe and effective protection against mosquitoes and other insects. Infused with a pleasant citronella scent, they repel bugs without harmful chemicals or sprays. Lightweight, adjustable, and comfortable to wear. They are perfect for camping, hiking, gardening, or beach trips. Number 9. Apex Up Disposable Rain Ponchos. Stay dry in sudden rain showers with Apex Up Disposable Rain Ponchos. Made from eco-friendly, non-toxic PE material, these ponchos are durable, 100% waterproof, and 40% thicker than standard disposable ponchos. Available in multiple colors and pack sizes, they are ideal for camping, hiking, festivals, and emergency use. Lightweight and compact, they fold easily into your backpack, ensuring you're always prepared for unpredictable weather. Number 10. Stanley Stainless Steel Thermal Bottle. Enjoy hot coffee or cold water on your camping trips with the Stanley Stainless Steel Thermal Bottle. This durable bottle is BPA-free, dishwasher-safe, and features an insulated leak-proof lid that keeps beverages at the perfect temperature for hours. With a 1.1 quart capacity, it's ideal for solo trips or sharing with friends. Its compact and packable design fits easily in backpacks, car holders, or picnic baskets. Built from high-quality stainless steel, it can withstand rough outdoor use while maintaining its insulation properties. Number 11. Blaver Solar Charger Power Bank. Powering your devices outdoors can be a challenge, but the Blaver Solar Charger Power Bank makes it easier than ever. This compact 10,000 mAh power bank is designed specifically for camping, hiking, and emergency situations. What makes it stand out is its dual charging system. You can charge it via USB Type-C, or let it naturally recharge using built-in high-efficiency solar panels. It features wireless charging, dual USB outputs, and a rugged body that's waterproof, dustproof, and shockproof, making it ideal for the outdoors. The built-in dual bright flashlight turns it into a multi-purpose survival gadget. Great for night hikes or emergency signaling. Number 12. Mallow-Me Fire Pit S'mores Sticks. If you love campfire cooking, the Mallow-Me marshmallow and s'mores roasting sticks are a must-have. Made from premium stainless steel, these telescoping sticks extend to the perfect roasting length, keeping your hands safely away from the fire. The heat-resistant handles offer a secure grip, while the pointed prongs are designed to hold marshmallows, hot dogs, sausages, veggies, and more without slipping. They retract down for compact storage and come with a convenient carry bag, making them perfect for camping trips, backyard fire pits, beach nights, and family cookouts. Number 13. Repel 100 Insect Repellent. For campers heading into mosquito-heavy areas, Repel 100 is one of the strongest and most trusted insect repellents you can buy. This unscented formula contains high-concentration DEET, offering up to 10 hours of protection against mosquitoes, ticks, biting flies, chiggers, gnats, fleas, and more. What makes it popular is its reliability. Campers use it when venturing into deep woods, tropical climates, or areas with mosquito-borne diseases. Despite its powerful formula, it's safe for materials like cotton, wool, and nylon, and won't damage outdoor clothing or gear. Number 14. Mart Cobra Emergency Blanket. Emergency blankets may seem simple, but the Mart Cobra Mylar blanket is one of Amazon's top sellers thanks to its durability and heavy-duty design. Made from aluminized mylar, it reflects up to 90% of body heat, helping prevent hypothermia in cold, wet, or windy conditions. The material is tear-resistant, waterproof, windproof, and even snowproof, making it essential for outdoor survival kits. It's ultra-light, only 7 ounces, and folds down small enough to fit in your pocket or glove compartment. Available in multi-packs from 4 to 100 blankets. It's ideal for camping groups, emergency kits, hiking packs, and car preparedness. Number 15. Eaton Wolf Air 3 Electric Air Pump. When you need to inflate air mattresses, pool floats, sleeping pads, or camping pillows fast, the Eaton Wolf Air 3 is one of the most efficient compact pumps available on Amazon. Powered by a 2,600 mAh rechargeable battery, this small but powerful pump delivers 13 cubic feet per minute of airflow with a maximum pressure of 4.5 kilopascal. Despite its strong performance, it weighs just 145 grams, making it lighter than most power banks. The pump includes multiple nozzles for different inflatables and can also deflate gear to save packing space. Number 16. Tozy Flying Disc. If you enjoy fun outdoor games while camping, the Tozy Flying Disc is one of the most popular picks on Amazon. Designed with precision and balance, this disc offers a smooth, stable flight perfect for casual games or more competitive throwing. It's USB-C rechargeable, and although lightweight at 175 grams, it's durable enough to handle repeated outdoor use. Campers love how easy it is to throw, even for beginners, and how well it maintains speed and trajectory. Since it's compact and doesn't require batteries or setup, it's an ideal way to add entertainment to camping trips, beach outings, and park days. Number 17. LifeStraw Personal Water Filter. The LifeStraw is easily one of the most iconic and most purchased pieces of survival gear on Amazon. This ultralight 0.04 kilogram filter removes 99.99% of bacteria, 99.99% of parasites, and virtually all microplastics, sand, dirt, and cloudiness. It works with no power required, making it perfect for emergencies, survival situations, and long wilderness hikes. With the ability to filter up to 4,000 liters of water, it's more than enough for multiple camping trips. Number 18. Carhartt Camping Cooler. Carhartt Cooler is known for rugged gear, and this compact camping cooler is no exception. Built with durable plastic and polyester, it features thermal insulation that keeps drinks cold for hours, making it perfect for day trips, hikes, and campsite lounging. With an 8-liter capacity, It's large enough to carry essentials, but still lightweight at 11.2 ounces. The adjustable shoulder strap makes it easy to carry, and the tough exterior fabric is resistant to wear and tear, ideal for outdoor conditions. Number 19. Fojgo Collapsible Dish Basin. A clean campsite matters, and the Fojgo Collapsible Dish Basin is one of those simple but extremely useful items people love. Made from sturdy polypropylene, this basin opens wide for washing dishes, prepping food, or carrying water. If you're done, it collapses flat, saving valuable space in your backpack or car. With a 12-inch base width and a lightweight 16-ounce build, it's easy to pack and easy to use. Number 20. Smith & Wesson Extreme Ops Folding Knife. A dependable knife is essential for camping, and the Smith & Wesson Extreme Ops is one of the most popular budget folding knives on Amazon. Built with a sharp 3.1-inch stainless steel blade and a durable aluminum handle, this knife is designed for everyday carry, campsite tasks, and light survival use. Weighing just 3.52 ounces and measuring 7.1 inches when open, it's lightweight yet solid in the hand. The clip-point blade gives you excellent control for cutting rope, opening packages, preparing kindling, and general campsite chores. And that wraps up my list of the 20 most purchased camping gear on Amazon. All trusted, reliable, and highly rated by outdoor enthusiasts. If you found this helpful, feel free to check out the link in the description. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more outdoor gear guides, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new upload.